my own. And somebody was arguing about, they're not the kidnap for this area, they kidnap. This place is not good though. One of my neighbors now said, no. They're not kidnapped for this area. The stranger was like, why you go talk like that? Which kind of security I get? Then the woman now said, the young girl, 20 years old, they say, no, Raymond prayer, they cover this estate.
What is wrong with you? wait, wait. He doesn't believe you. But that's basically what that means.
That's why
you didn't say anything.
That's why it's good.
You're a bad person.
That's why it's
I've been looking at your facial expressions.
Kegan, that's why it's good.
It's making me laugh.
Yeah, it's good. It's good that it doesn't, that at least somebody that is on the opposite is here.
Oh my God, you are up. You're an up.
It puts a balance to it.
Yes, it does. It does.
That was the statement I made. Yes, let me just round off on this. That was the statement I made. And kid you not, I still can do it in this house. And in case you don't know, pause.
Okay.
Pause. In case you don't know, in our first episode, yes, something happened.
What happened?
Let me read to you. I want to read my paid class to you, what people said in my paid class.
Okay.
Sit down now, Mr. Kegan.
I want you to do
Sit down.
I mean, I like Miracle.
Sit
if
down.
you check account now,
Miracle money has actually entered the account.
Miracle money has entered.
I confirm this one.
Thank you so much.
Miracle money approved.
Thank you so much. This one, the person said, this is amazing. What got to me about the live is that Kegan is speaking in tongues as a reaction. Did you remember when he spoke in tongues?
No, I don't.
That's what we call. Wait. You know why he did not know? That's what we call the Raymond Effects.
Oh!
Hey! If I was not here, I wouldn't have believed this one.
Read on.
I don't remember it.
You spoke in tongues. I was just looking at you like this. I didn't say anything because I already know that I am the one that is controlling the atmosphere.
Oh!
So I didn't say anything. Now let me read further what the person said. In Sare's voice, I'm an intentional person. Then she now went further to say, taking up opportunity, publicity. Sare is going to the people, showcasing himself. Okay, let me read another one. What another person said. Somebody now said, I'm telling you, I thought I was the only one who noticed.
That Kegan was speaking in
Yes,
tongues.
he said, the person now said that the presence of Sare made Kegan to speak in tongues without him knowing he did. Say, I'll read that by yourself.
I'm telling you, I thought I was the only one who noticed that the presence of Sare made Kegan to speak in tongues without him knowing he did. And I actually didn't know that I did.
You just confirmed it by yourself now.
It's a lie.
Show me proof.
Not a lifestyle.
Show me proof. You just
This is proof.
So these are spiritual things.
It's
just like
Stop looking at me, please.
they are attacking Kegan. They are attacking.
By all means, please don't look at me. Now waiting they bother them be that.
Okay, that's great.
Okay, thank you very much for that display of power.
Next question.
Thank you.
Do you need help?
Thank you very much for that display of power.